and that is being represented by Kyle Marquez. Next, grapes contains minerals such as calcium and phosphorus and source of vitamin A, and that is being represented by Chloe Flores. Banana, an herb and rich in fiber, represented by Gilbert Fines Aldam. Strawberry, rich in vitamin C and promote iron and other minerals, classified as aggregate fruits.